Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SHEEFA's CHARMS. I am SHEEFA. Today we are going to discuss about MIXOTROPHIC nutrition. MIXOTROPHIC nutrition is a unique type of nutrition because it plays intermediate role between autotrophs and heterotrophs. In MIXOTROPHIC nutrition, mixo means mixed or mixture and trophic means feeding and nutrition. Let's know more about mixotrophic nutrition. What is mixotrophic nutrition? Those that combine autotrophs, that means self-sustaining food production from a carbon source and inorganic nitrogen, and heterotroph are known as mixotrophs. A mixotroph is an organism that can use a mix of different sources of energy and carbon instead of having a single trophic mode on the continuum from complete autotrophy at one end to heterotrophy at the other. These prepare their food by photosynthesis and also absorb elaborated food, that is biotic food. Biotic means pertaining to life, which means these materials are derived from living organisms. Mixotrophs can be either eukaryotic or prokaryotic. Let's know what is eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Eukaryotic means these cells contain nucleus and organelles and are enclosed by plasma membrane, whereas prokaryotes are the cells that do not have membrane-bound organelles. Mixotrophs can be either eukaryotic or prokaryotic. They can take advantage of different environmental conditions. If a trophic mode in obligate condition, then it is always necessary for sustaining growth and maintenance. If it is facultative, it can be used as supplement source. Let's know what is obligate and facultative mean. Obligate means that it cannot complete its life cycle without exploiting a suitable host, for example, Plasmodium. Whereas facultative means they do not rely on the host to complete their life cycle. It is estimated that mixotrophs comprise more than half of all microscopic planktons. Planktons are aquatic microscopic organisms. Mixotrophs nutrition refers to organisms which are both autotrophs and heterotrophs. Mixotrophs are intermediate nutritional strategy. Protista kingdom that has all single-celled organisms mostly gives mixotrophic nutrition. And some of the examples of this nutrition are algae, sponges, flatworms, euglena, photosynthetic protozoans, and many more. But when it comes to show a best example of mixotrophic nutrition, we take euglena. This is euglena under microscope. Let's know about the euglena more. These are the parts of the euglenas. It mostly contains chloroplast, nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes, cytoplasm, and all these other parts. As there is presence of chloroplast, we can say it is autotroph. But we cannot say that it is a plant cell because there is no cell wall around it. As well as we cannot say it is an animal cell as there is chloroplast. By this we can say that it acts as intermediate between plants and animals. Let's know what are its feeding habits. In daytime, euglena, it makes its own food as autotrophs through photosynthesis in chloroplast. In dark time or nights, it uses saprophytic nutrition as heterotrophs. The usual things euglena eats is green algae, amoebas, paramecium, and rotifer. So we can say that Euglena is the best example of mixotrophic nutrition, but it is part of Protista. So let's know about something that is from plant kingdom. Venus flytrap. Venus flytrap, an insectivorous plant, consumes insects, but that's not all how they get their energy. They still get their energy from the sun and transform it into food such as sugars using photosynthesis, as there is presence of chloroplast. And they also use the dead insects to get their nutrients. Most of the insectivorous plants come under this category, so we can say that these also execute mixotrophic nutrition. So we got an example from the plant kingdom for the mixotrophic nutrition. So we come to the conclusion that mixotrophic nutrition is a unique type of nutrition which is intermediate between autotrophs and heterotrophs, and these change their conditions based on the external conditions. Means in mixotrophic nutrition, the protists obtain their nourishment by more than one method at the same or different times due to change in external conditions. So we knew about mixotrophic nutrition today. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hope you learned something through this. See you in the next videos.